In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate custom sound effects using Elevenlabs AI. Before we begin, if you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Your support encourages us to continue bringing you valuable content. First, log in to your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, focus on the left side menu. Under the Create section, you will see an option that says Sound Effects. Click on that option. Once you're on the sound effects page, you will see a text box where you can enter the prompt for the sound effect you want to generate. Let's do a quick demonstration by generating the sound of a dinosaur roaring. But before we hit Generate Sound Effects, it's important to note something. By clicking on Settings, you can customize the duration of the sound effect and the influence of the prompt. If you move the slider towards the more creative side, Elevenlabs will generate unique and unexpected sound effects that you've never heard before. If you prefer the sound effect to be exactly what you typed in the text box, move the slider towards the Follow Prompt side. After hitting the Generate Sound Effect button, Elevenlabs will generate 4 separate audio files. You can choose the best sound effect from them and download it. Here are the sound effects I generated. A group of people saying, "We love watching tutorials."
We love watching tutorials.
The sound of a crystal cave. A baby crying for an iPhone.
I want the iPhone!
An alien ship crashing into the sea and exploding. As you can see, with this tool, you can generate unique sound effects that you can't find anywhere else. It's a great way to bring your creative ideas to life. By following these steps, you can effectively change the language of the AI voice to suit your needs. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Ensure you explore a wide array of tutorials and resources spanning diverse subjects available on MediaMagnetGuide.com. See you in the next video.